Hey guys, what's up? Como es, Sak Pase? It's Jasmine, and thank you so much for coming through to my channel today. I think this is like the first time that I've done an actual dedicated video for an unboxing, and like I see this circling all around YouTube. I want to show you what I get sometimes from PR. Sometimes I get, sometimes I don't get. Long story short, I got a whole bunch of stuff here. Can I just say, like, I love when I get sent PR packages. I'm gonna be honest, I mean, it just feels like Christmas. It feels like Christmas every single time. And like, well, I'm gonna go through everything that I got in PR, and you know, I'll show it to you and like maybe swatch a couple things for you too. So let's get it popping. The first thing is from Pop Beauty. Now, FYI, all of these things that I do receive are cruelty-free or vegan. You know, I only rocked with the cruelty-free or vegan products, okay? Because no animal should have to suffer for beauty. I took everything out of the boxes because I do not want to spend time taking down these boxes in front of you guys. So these are the Topper Popper metallic lip stains. It came in this really cute holographic bag. So they have 6 of these metallic lip stains here. I mean, Copper Popper seems really cute. So all of these names have popper at the end. So there's Peach Popper, Copper Popper, Red Popper, Pink Popper, Violet Popper, and Cream Popper. So let me swatch these. See, this is a problem. It's so annoying having to like remove these things from the boxes. So this is Cream Popper right here. Peach Popper is right here, right underneath. This is Copper Popper. Copper Popper, okay. And I'm curious to know if any one of you have heard of this brand before. They sent me an email way back wanting to send me stuff, and after I confirmed everything was cruelty-free with them, I was like, yeah, why not? This is Red Popper. Red Popper right there. And the last one, last but not least, is Violet. Violet Popper. I feel like you could wear these alone or over top like a lipstick. Let me wear Copper Popper right now. It actually goes really well with this eye look, so we gonna rock with it. Girl, let me tell you something. These poppers really stay on. No wonder they call them a lip stain. So moving on to the next thing is from a brand called Clarane. I don't know if you can see, but Clarane personalized the box for me, which is quite interesting. And some hair products. This is the Sun Radiance Nourishing Shampoo. This is the Sun Radiance Rich Restorative Conditioner. And they even sent over the Sun Radiance Protective Oil with Yang Yang. I don't get that many hair products, but hopefully that'll change because I'm really looking for a pretty decent like shampoo and conditioner. All right, just to smell this really quick. It smells kind of sweet. Okay. Next PR package is from Pixi. Y'all know I love me some Pixi, y'all. I love Pixi products, especially their sprays, their setting spray, their hyaluronic spray. It like looks milky and whatnot. This package is all about the glow this time around. Got some highlighters and some liquid eyeshadows. Wow. So I'm gonna be swatching the Delicate Dew highlighter. The consistency looks like it could be bomb. So I'm gonna swatch one. Wow. That was one, sis. I'm gonna do the pinky type highlighter. One swatch here. Okay. Okay, I'm feeling motivated to swatch the other one now. Next, I'm gonna be swatching Subtle Sunrise. Clean hands, okay. Subtle Sunrise. Wow, sis. That's insane. This was one swatch. I'm gonna swatch next the, what is this? Liquid eyeshadows. Pixi came out with 5 of these liquid eyeshadows. Really excited to swatch them for you. The first is Crystalline or Crystalline. Okay. So it doesn't smell like anything. Next one is Sunray. Oh, it's getting a lot better. Okay, Sunray. Next we have Bare Brilliance. Wow. Wow. Now we have Rose Gold. Okay, sis, come through. Come through, why don't you? Last but not least, we have Passion Light. Oh, I'm salivating. So the first one, Crystalline, isn't as pigmented as the others, but yo, all these other 4 right here could get it. Wow, Pixi, you have outdone yourself. The next PR package is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So I got a whole bunch of primers from e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist. They have a primer mist? Is this new? This is the Poreless Face Primer. Here we have the Prep and Hydrate Balm, which I do have. It's very cooling and soothing, and it smells really nice too. And here I have the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Primer. And this is great because it has SPF 50. That's bomb. And they even put in a primer mask. So it's all about the primers today. I'm actually interested in possibly doing like a battle of the primers type video. So if you want to see that, definitely let me know. If I do use these e.l.f. primers, I would of course be using an e.l.f. foundation because I feel like everything within the same brand would work together better. So I'm gonna see how that is, and if you want to see something like that, definitely let me know and I will get started on that video. All right, so the last 2 boxes are from Urban Decay. So I got this box and I got this box. I don't think I've ever gotten products from Urban Decay before, so this is quite interesting. Thank you, Urban Decay, for seeing me. This came with some bomb products that I'm really interested in. Now, I've already tried the cooling and hydrating makeup setting spray. I just put it back in the box, y'all. But this is actually really good, and I don't think it's supposed to like mattify, because it doesn't say anything about mattifying. It just says stop makeup meltdown. Chill features cooling time release temperature control technology that actually chills the surface of your makeup to keep it looking gorgeously. Just apply for up to 12 hours. Okay, I don't even understand like makeup setting spray technology. Like, what is that? The next thing is the complexion primer. This has SPF 30. That's great. I love seeing primers with SPF because a lot of times my makeup doesn't have SPF and I sometimes forget to apply SPF. I know I'm horrible, but this is a cute bottle. This looks like some sort of scientific, I don't know, but this is really, really cute. Swatch this primer. It doesn't have a smell, this primer. Okay, thank you so much. They also sent your girl, what is this? Waterproof eye pencil. One is in blue and the other is in purple. The blue one is called Chaos and the purple one is called Psychedelic Sister, excuse me. Okay. Psychedelic Sister is up top and Chaos is on the bottom. Next, I have the waterproof fine point eye pen. Yes, looking for a good eye pen. Okay, eyeliner. you can get it. And then we have the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. I've been needing this. This is the eyeshadow primer potion. Yeah, kind of out of eye primers right now, so yeah. And they even hooked your girl up with 2 shadows. This one is in Easy Baked and this one is in Fireball. This one is Easy Baked. I mean, it's cute. I'm gonna do one swatch here. All right, you pigmented. The next one is Fireball. I'm making such a mess. Okay. Oh, kind of broke, but. Whoa. So let's go through the very last box. All right, now, FYI, I've already used the palette right here. This is the Born to Run palette, I believe. And wow, I wish I knew about this before I went to Cuba. This would have been absolutely perfect. Perfect. I mean, just look at all these colors. Can we admire these colors, please? Currently, I'm wearing Rift, Baja, Double Life, Punk, and Stranded on the eyes. Now, if you want to see a different kind of makeup look, eye makeup look, definitely let me know what colors you want me to utilize from this palette. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. I use it already. I'm using it right now. And yeah, it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love all the colors, so pigmented. Like, this is a good palette to take with you on vacation. It has the most prettiest tropical colors. I can't even say enough good things about it. They even sent me some of these Glide On eye pencils. The green one is in Overdrive, the dark brown one is in Double Life, and the copper type one is in Lucky. They also sent this all-nighter makeup setting spray, and all-nighter is definitely a bop. Definitely a bop. Boppity bop bop. And last but not least, they sent over 3 of their Born to Run lipsticks. The packaging is okay. Let me swatch these lippies for you. This is in Marfa, and it's supposed to be a comfort matte. It's supposed to be a gorgeous purple, like a berry. I want to make the swatch look nice. So this is in Marfa. This one is in Ready with a question mark. Ooh, this is a cute little copper. It's a cute little copper color. The last one is in 66. I'm guessing they named it after Route 66. Yo, I could wear all of these colors, yes, and even 66. All right, so that is all of the PR I was sent. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, girl, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more unboxings, definitely let me know and I will do more of these. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments section if you want to see me do a makeup look utilizing one of these things that I got. Let me know what type of look you want to see from me and I will definitely get that out to you. That is all, really. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.